borders on it. Far left. What's that brass that hit you?
Huh?
That's hard to tell, man.
Yeah, gone. Almost dead center, man.
I believe I got that. I'm gonna shoot the other one.
Alright.
Did I get him?
You hit to the left, I think, a little bit. There you go. Hitting a little bit to the left.
I ain't hitting that.
Yeah, you hit the low one to the right.
Where'd it hit?
Asking me, I can't see. That was just above it. It's to the left. I think that was on it. You got it now.
To the left.
What was that?
Glocks is something you gotta get used to the trigger pull. They're really what they call single action. Oh, that hit the bottom to the bottom of the plate on the left.
I'm gonna try to hit the stick. That's way low.
Oh, you got
Got
it.
it that time. I think that's it.
I believe that was 6.
Yeah, I think so.
No?
Nope. I better go one more, make sure.
Yeah.
Yeah. I hit high.
I didn't see it. I think he was a little high. Yep. Still high.
Well, I see where that went, on top of the plate. About the same place.
You got it at the top. Looks like.
Blow something in my face. It burned. I hit him there almost in the middle. Almost right beside it. Can you see them?
thing shot the fire just then.
Where it went?
I don't know either.
I was looking at the gun, sort of. There's a camera. God, it throwed the fire.
I got it right in that stump, didn't I?
Think so. Do it again. Same place again.
I'm trying to hit the same spot. Try to go above it. Probably about it.
There's always one more.
Yeah, there's always one more.
Something hit my goggles.
I felt that in my belly.
I think you get him.
Yeah, I blow that head off. I didn't even hit that neither.
This piece went way up there. Got him that time. Or I think you hit maybe a little below him.
I didn't even hit it, did I?
If you hit it, it'll fly off there probably. I think you hit a little above it to the left. Where did it go? I know I didn't hit it. That time, but I don't
Must
know
be a
where.
hard rock.
I can hit that coal. Yep. I must be hitting right above it.
Did I hit it?
I don't know where it went.
Must have went through it. I think I see the hole.
Went to the left of it. Right in the middle to the left. Daggone, that moved the whole thing. You must have hit its root to the left. You should a little bit to the left. About 3 inches probably. There you got him. It moved. I guess you got him in the
Yeah.
either it or the root. Yeah, you got him. There you go. I don't know if it was on. Right. kind of loud. There you go. That was a more powerful round. These are potent. That one was potent. Got him. See where it went in the mud. I don't know if it went through either. Get that up there. I threw something in my face.
That was 3, wasn't it?
That was there, yeah. Just make sure. I want to see what it done to it. something hit my hand.
How many's left?
That was 2. You got one more. Get it.
See, this feels different. It's just kind of feels weird after shooting that other one.
I know, it don't even feel like it's... You want to pull it down almost. You know, I hear all that. You probably what the hell them boys doing? Got 5 in it. Right. Okay, I'll shoot the other one. The one on the far left. Isn't that last one? I think I chambered one. Yeah. Missed it. I thought it way it went along.
What did you do?
You seen it went all the way up there.